So what I have right here is a tuna steak that had been soaking in Worcestershire sauce like last time. And then a tablespoon of garlic powder, Tony's, and black pepper, but then also a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I have an unspecified amount of chia seeds. And then same as yesterday, but except for I already have the green onion in here and it's not chopped up. So this right here has been sizzling for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and give it a flip. Alright, so I'm going to go on ahead and pour this in here. Alright, so I'm going to go on ahead and transfer this to this bowl of chia seeds. Yeah, so basically I had trouble flipping it while holding my phone. I'm going to put this back into here, and if I have to, after I'm done cooking this, I might add some more black seeds in case any fall off, or I haven't put enough on here to begin with. Alright, I'm going to try to put more seeds on this. Alright, so I'm going to give this a try. Alright, this is so good. Alright folks, peace.